So on the important question that some of the students had asked was related to the Sanskrit keyboard, like how to type in Sanskrit Devanagari characters in say in a Word document or in computer, or also in the final exam, Surasa Sabha exam, which also provides an optional text box where you can enter the answers instead of writing it on a paper and then scanning it and then submitting. So that was an option that was provided. So in such cases, how do we type in Devanagari? This was a question which was being asked. So let me try to answer it through some of the best known methods to me. I mean, whatever I'm sharing now is not the complete or the entire thing. Okay, it is just that what I have explored, what I have understood, and what I feel it is easier or maybe it's user friendly. These are some of the tips. I'm just sharing it. So there could be more and more such tools that are available. So what I'm just giving you is just one or two examples of the tools that are available and which you can make use of, and you will be able to probably type in Sanskritam and explore it. So the first and the foremost, the easiest approach is using some online keyboards which are available online. So the advantage of this is simple. You don't have to install anything on your system. It is available on your phone, or also it is just a web page. So how to reach here is just Google Lexi logos and then Devanagari, something like this. If you just type it, you will get the first link, Devanagari keyboard online, which is Lexi logos. Okay, this is one of the websites which provide it. There are many other websites also which provide Devanagari, but the interface and typing is quite simple in this, and hence I usually prefer and use this. So this is one place where you can type in. It is a phonetic keyboard. So phonetic keyboard means that we spell exactly in English. Like if I want to write my name, I will type exactly as it is in English, and then I will get probably the right rendering in Sanskrit. So this, we don't have to know any specific typing skills. It is just that we should understand if it's a Mahaprana, we will have to add an H to it, and then will get this. So RAGHU, if I type, I get this. RAG is the Alpa Pranaga. When I add H, it becomes Mahaprana, and then when I add Matra to it, then it will become Raghu. Similarly, Dasharathi, if you want to type DAA, we can type two times the letter A, then we will get the Dirgha of it. Else, we can also do it this way, D and then capital A, capital or the uppercase A. So that also will give you the Dirgha. And then Dasharathi, Sha, for Sha, first when I press S, it becomes Sa. Adding, along with that, I'm adding now H, it becomes this Dasha, okay, and A. Similarly, Rathi, right? So RA, THI. So to get Dasharathi. And then for a Visarga, I add capital or the uppercase H. So Dasharathihi. This way we will be able to type it. This is a very simple interface. And if you are unable to type it directly through a keyboard, you can also select the letters from the palette or the key palette that is available here. Now, what you can do, you can type in here and then copy and paste it in any of the applications like PowerPoint or Word, etc. So this is one way. But in exam, we cannot definitely use this because copy paste function is not enabled in the exam. So in such case, what we'll have to do, we'll have to have one more keyboard which is installed on your system. So again, there we have one very good plugin available from Google that is available that you can make use of. So how to reach here again? You can type say Google Indic keyboard. Okay, Google Indic keyboard. You can search for that, and here you can find this Google Input Tools online. So when you click on this Google Input Tools online, you get something like this. And if you scroll down, you can see this install the Chrome extension. So you can install this as a Chrome extension. That is, Google Chrome is the browser that I'm using, and it is being supported by that. So once you install it, once you click on this install the Chrome extension, it will open this extensions, and then you will be able to install it. So I have already installed it in my system, and hence it is showing it as remove from Chrome. Otherwise, for you, it will be like add to Chrome or install to Chrome or something. And you can see that here, the plugin will come over here. So now go to any website, for example, posha.sanskrit.today, which is the dictionary one which we can refer to. And if you just enable it, you can see there is Sanskritam phonetic, Sanskritam, Devanagari, etc. Like whatever languages you want, you can have it. I usually prefer this phonetic keyboard, which is straightforward, like how I showed in Lexilogos. It's the same way. We can make use of this. Else, this Sanskritam, which is like kind of a dictionary based, as in when you start typing, it prompts you like what word it could be. For example, Raja, Raja or something. If I just type this, it will give me various combinations, Raj, Raja, etc. So you can select which one you want, and you will find you can use it. So this is another keyboard that is available from the Google input tools itself that you can make use of. Now this is applicable or available for as a Chrome extension only. Okay, it's there for the Chrome. There's also a downloadable version that you can actually do and download it to your computer. So for downloading, there is another tool which is there, which is very friendly, very user friendly, which is Bhasha Ime. Okay, let me disable this plugin first. Okay, so Bhasha Ime is one of the tools. Once if you type this, please note this, you will be able to get this here, Bhasha tools or Bhasha Ime tools. So this is one tool which you can download. It's a small zip file that will get downloaded, and you can install it on your system. And here, once you download and install it, you can like click on the application, and it will open it, and then you can start typing. It's also a phonetic keyboard, and as in when you type it, it will directly come in Devanagari. So these are some of the tools that you can definitely make use of for Sanskrit typing. I shall just post these links in the chat box so that all of you can make note of this. So that one, and probably this input tools also. I'll provide this link as well. And then this Lexilogos link also I will paste, so you can explore these as well. Hope you're able to see the chat box and have shared all these three links. Maybe you can make a note of it, copy it, or bookmark these pages, or just Google with whatever the words I have given you. Bhasha Ime, if you Google, or Google input tools, if you Google, you will get these links. So nothing to worry if you are unable to copy these links directly. So these are some of the tools that you can make use of to write in Sanskritam, to type in Sanskritam. Hope you are able to do this. If you have any questions, any doubts in particular to this, you can definitely reach out to me, and I will try to help you out with other features, or like any issues that you may face with that. Okay. So now coming back to our class, like I want to extend with few more minutes because